And good evening, friends. Welcome to your own YouTube channel RDX Trader. I am the hosting of this channel. Today we talking about our top story of the week. Before we start our video, first of all, I wish you all very happy New Year, and I hope the New Year can bring you many profit and smart investments this season. Please stay safe and happy investing. So, we talking about a top story of the week and how's the market performing last week. How's the market performing in the last week and upcoming market happening, and also talking about a trigger for the coming weeks. So, before we start our video, I request you to all my viewers and my family members, please like the video, and if you are new on this channel, so subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button for regular update of my upcoming videos notification. And I also request you to all my viewers, if you are if you are wanna worry about the market news and how's the market performing and everything, just like a nifty 50 range resistance and support, btst and price action stock, if you wanna all these things, so please join my channel, link below in the description box. And another thing I want to say you all the my viewers, please open your demat account on my link below in the description box. So we start our video. Weekly wrap. In weekly wrap, there is benchmark Nifty and Sensex one up by over 400 points and 1000 points in the week gone by. Happy New Year to one and all. Hope you make a bumper return in the coming year. Let's dive straight in the for this week rep. In this week editions, we're talking about Sun Pharma, Adani, Binance, and many more. So top stock bets is Sun Pharma, Adani, NTPC, and HCL Tech. Sun Pharma companies, including Sun Pharma and Cipla, have formed a consortium to conduct a trial to test the safety of molnupiravir, a coronavirus antiviral pill that has been given emergency use authorizations by DGCI. Adani Group bid for a Radius Estates, a Mumbai-based realty company, has been approved by 80% creditor Radius Estate. The company owed 3,000 crore in unpaid due to its creditor. NTPC is reportedly planning to reduce its stake in the subsidiaries NTPC Renewable Energy to below 50% and list NREL on the stock market during the next fiscal year. HCL Tech is buying out the minority stake of 19.6 in the HCL Technology SEP holding for 100 million. Now, hot bites. In the sections, you will find a trailer stock call by our research analyst, which we have over 90% accuracy. Y rating, giving you these 5 stocks. Number first, SAIL, Steel Authority of India. Number 2, Sun TV. Number 3, JSW Steel. Number 4, Apollo Tyre. Number 5, Vedanta. These are the stocks giving you a buying call in short term position with 90% accuracy. And safe specials, you know, Gadkari calls for the manufacturing of flex fuel vehicles and flex fuel strong hybrid electric vehicle complying with BS6 norm within a period of 6 months. ITI signed MOU with MNNIT Allahabad for joint collaborative research project. Siemens and Tata Group company JV to develop metro corridor for Pune Metro under PPP route. Now we're talking about a crypto corner. Then you may on December 27, Will Morsa said of his official Twitter account that he hold approximately 2,20,000 Doge and that he is not working on the Dogecoin project. Cryptocurrency mining activities are illegal in China. However, the court has been ruling against Bitcoin mining cases for the past few years. Central Bank of Bahrain has given in principle approval to Binance to operate as a crypto assets service provider in the kingdom. Now we're talking about South Samundar Bar. It's been a global news, global segment. First, first news is this: Bank of America in the US has forecast of 4,600 for the S&P 500 by the end of 2022, with the benchmark currently hovering around 4,790. That means the bank is pointing to negative return for the coming year. US employee added a record number of jobs in 2021, but the pace of the labor market strong recovery could slow early next year due to the uncertainty posed by the Omicron variant of COVID 19. The bubble in fast growing distributor was not only ones that the seemed to in 2021. Solar and clean energy stocks and specs also had a miserable years. And if you are in case you missed it, major IPO for the next year: Tata Sons about Air India and India Unicorn trend to cause a concern. Now we're talking about a market performing upcoming market performance. So one day before news is RBI cancel auctions for 7,000 crore government bond, and after that RBI explained why did RBI cancel auctions for sovereign bond for worth 70,000 crore. You may see the the explanation of RBI. The RBI on Friday, December 31 cancelled the primary auctions of bond worth 70,000 crore as the central bank looked to the maintain lower yield. The bid for the weekly auctions were made with higher yield in the mind, which point point to be noted with higher yield in the mind, which in the central bank was not too comfortable with. The bond consisting of a set of floating rate bond maturing in 2028 worth 4,000 crore and a set of bond with a coupon of 6.1 worth 13,000 crore. However, the auction long term 40-year set of bond worth 7,000 crore managed to sell through. And second news is this for upcoming market session is at 9 p.m. on Friday, Swiggy said it crossed 2 million order, while Zomato touched 2.5 billion order at 11:15 p.m. on December 31. And after that, second news about the market: Ajanta Pharma news analysis. Aurobindo Pharma names K. Reddy as a managing director. And second news also coming from the Ajanta Pharma is Ajanta Pharma called the Vivek of this year. And who is this Mr. Reddy? Mr. Reddy has a key of a member of Aurobindo leadership and has played a pivotal role in company growth journey since inception. A veteran of the pharma industry, he has expertise in manufacturing technology and has been actively involved in overall affairs and strategies decision making of the company. Aurobindo said in a regulatory filing. And market trigger, if you and next is market trigger. First is market trigger. Market gives thumbs up to the IDFC and IDFC First Bank merger plan. IDFC Bank likely to merge with IDFC and IDFC Financial Holding in three-way merger. RBI July 2021 had permitted banks to acquire their holding companies via process of reverse merger. And second trigger point is second trigger news. Not so happy new year. Nifty may see multi-quarter correction of 20% in 2022. This is a very big news about Nifty 50, because Nifty may be going to 20% corrections on the current market price. So please keep watch all these news about the Nifty 50 and regular updates. So don't forget join my Telegram channel, and if you don't forget join my Telegram channel and open your Demat account to my link and send me screenshot on my WhatsApp number. I'll giving I'm joining you to my premium group free of cost. So open a Demat account through my link below in the description box. Don't forget to like, and if you are new on this channel, so subscribe this channel, and comment all types of, if you want any suggestion for me, then comment in the comment section box. Thank you so much.